match
Yeah, that's right.
against Sean Carson. It'll be Sean Carson versus Yellow Man. And then the other one is our SOM champion going up against RT3 in a strap match.
Oh.
And of course, a strap match, they'll be strapped together. The winner has to touch all four corners
by dragging their opponent around them.
By dragging their opponent around.
That's right.
So it's going to be an amazing match. It's going to be an amazing night. I cannot wait for that night.
Important to note, it's 4 consecutive corners.
Yes, 4 consecutive corners.
That can get broken up.
Yep. That's it. If it gets broken up at any point in time, then it starts over.
That's where the fun begins.
Yep, absolutely. And of course, again, they're strapped together, so you can't go far.
Can't go far.
And that means that James Anthony can't take off.
Nope.
So you got to wonder. I mean, he always kind of has something up his sleeve.
Well, this is what Judas put down. We talked about how both of the competitors were both really not too happy with this, but it is what it is. It is what it is.
It definitely is what it is. But coming up, we've got Yellow Man versus James Anthony.
This is going to be interesting here.
This is going to be an interesting match. Two guys that know each other very well.
Very well, yeah.
And have fought against each other many times. And are, somewhat know each other all over the place.
You guys
on his way to the ring, Yela Man!
Like I said, Yellow Man fighting all over the place,
Oh, yeah.
And he's been a staple around here for a long time. So these guys, they know each other so well. And again, is somewhat of a grudge match between the two of them because, there's been a lot of heat between the two of them for a long time.
They've been both jockeying for position. I know that Yellow Man's kind of upset about the way things kind of played out.
Yeah.
Here
in multiple situations.
Yeah. So now we...
Oh, James Anthony doesn't seem to want to go out there. James Anthony still doesn't want to go out there. Still feeling the effects from last week or from earlier tonight.
And his opponent, accompanied by his manager, Prince Isaiah, your SOM champion, James Anthony.
Well, here we go.
James Anthony's manager over here with me again tonight. And this kid has been getting in the mix a whole lot here recently. Come here, Prince Isaiah. You need to stay over here, buddy. Up, James Anthony getting pulled back to the ring by Yellow Man. Yellow Man not going to let him out of it that easy.
Taking it outside here.
Up, Yellow Man rolling back in.
Broke the count.
Broke the count. Oh, my goodness. Big chop to James Anthony. He hit him in the belly, that's right.
Oh, wait a minute. Yellow Man.
Here we go. Yellow Man saying he ain't running away this time. Oh, here we go again. Yellow Man just stalking him. Here he goes.
Staying with him in the corner. Going up to the danger zone.
Yep, just pounding on him. Yellow Man just keeping him up there.
Whoa.
Oh! James Anthony.
Unorthodox, but it
just
worked.
Desperation on that one, I think.
It worked.
Finally trying to take somewhat control over this match. He hadn't even been able to take his jacket off.
No. Yellow Man kind of brought him in brought him in the hard way. Having a front seat here.
Yep. Telling him to take a seat over here. Oh, now he's got him by his do-rag there. Of course, James Anthony, 13-year veteran, has fought all over the place here.
Yeah,
now he takes his coat off. Oh! And just starts choking the hell out of him. Yellow Man's in a bad position right now. James Anthony finally puts him back in the ring. Oh, just a 2 count. Almost had the 3 count. That one was close. Yeah. James Anthony just trying to keep the man down. Oh, buddy. And here comes one of those damn pit bulls. Of course. And of course, the opponent for Yellow Man. The opponent for Yellow Man at the Paul Morton Cup. Sean Carson out here joining us over here at ringside. Trying to get a closer look at what's going on. Oh my God!
Double barrel in the face.
Just kicking his head off. Yellow Man's in trouble. Oh, and almost had him.
Still just a 2 count.
Sean Carson over here scouting out Yellow Man, but doesn't have any of the pit bulls with him.
No. No.
I mean, I almost wonder what's happened to Maya Ferrari. She was back there earlier, and she still hasn't. This is 2 weeks in a row that she still hasn't come out here. But when I saw her, she was talking to James Anthony earlier.
Seems a little sus, don't it?
Just a tad bit.
A lot of things
Definitely
going on.
something to look into.
A lot of things going to be answered at the Paul Morton Cup.
Oh my God. James Anthony
in control right now, the champ.
Both of these guys, no stranger to each other, have scouted each other so well. But James Anthony in control of this match. Oh!
Uh-oh.
There it is.
Well, this was all yellow when this first started, but it's not anymore.
No, James Anthony took control a little while back and has not let go of it. Still only a 2 count though. Yela still fighting back. Almost. Big leg drop. Just moving pin, trying to keep him down as much as he can. Make Yellow Man expend as much energy as he can to get back up.
Well,
here we go. We've seen this. But then he gets it blocked.
Cut him off.
Oh, big neck breaker. That Rick Rude style neck breaker there.
That's nasty. Just a 2 count.
James Anthony says it's 3. Referee Hunter says it's only a 2. James Anthony's manager said it was 3.
Yellow don't look like he can even breathe.
Prince Isaiah over here cheering on his daddy.
Yellow
James
looks like
Anthony.
he's going to night-night land.
Yeah, he's got Yela in a bad position right now.
That's got to be it. That's it.
That's
it.
2. If his hand drops one more time, it's over, folks. Oh, no.
What?
There's still a little fight left. Yela trying to come back right here. Punches to the face. Crowd trying to get behind him. But then James Anthony right to the eyes.
Just cut him off again. Took his eyes out.
Yela in trouble. Oh, and look at this.
Just playing
Oh, taunting him with his own move. Loves that flip-flop and fly with James Anthony doing the flip-flop and fly, but misses. Oh, and here comes Yela.
Hey, watch that, ref.
Flip-flop and fly, and here we go. Boom! Hit him with it. Oh, and a code breaker. Oh, my God. Yela. Oh, I thought that was it.
So did Yela.
I thought that was it. That was nasty right there. James Anthony just kicking out on instinct on that one.
But Anthony's not going to quit. There's no quitting back there.
Oh, suckers him into the corner.
Oh, man. That's good. Look at this combo here. Here we go. Up, and away.
Boom! Oh, yeah. Just rolls him up and, takes advantage. Almost had him right there. Almost had him. Prince Isaiah thought he did have him.
He said, that's it. What is he?
Prince Isaiah, he's ready for this one to be in the bag. Up. Oh, my God.
Whoa.
Yela needs to get on him, but
out.
James Anthony wisely rolling out of the ring.
That's smart.
Referee got the 10 count started. Yela says, hell no. Oh my God! Out of nowhere, now we see why he went down to the ring.
All right.
And it's over with, folks. Of course he won with the ball bat.
He won.
He did.
And here's your winner, and still the SOM Heavyweight Champion, James Anthony.
And James Anthony, of course, coming in there with the ball bat and taking care of Carson's work here. Here we go. Oh, and gets speared again. Gets speared again by RT3. RT3 out here to help him. RT3 out here saving Yela Man from getting blasted with that ball back twice in a row. Looks like Malik's got something to say.
RT3, okay. What, 2 weeks, right?
Yeah, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Hey, 2 weeks. You know that it's all over in 2 weeks, right? It's all over. It's all over. Because then the champ can move on to other people. RT3, you understand that? You're done. Champ, I know. If you can, I know you got something you got to say. But that's it. RT3, that's it. It's all over. That's it. 2 weeks.
Well, folks,